So I wanted to jump on here real quick because this is just another project I have going on. So when I first tiled these stairs, I used these metal stair rails and they didn't work that well. As you can see, I couldn't drill nails through. I mean, technically I could, but I didn't want to drill screws through the tile because I was worried about them chipping and cracking. So I ended up liquid nailing these. As you can see, all the liquid nail on the inside there. So I found these rolls of stair edging that have a glue-based back on the back of them. As you can see, I've already done this one, and this one. And they actually look pretty good. I'm getting ready to do the last one. So now I'm getting ready to scrape off the liquid nail, clean it and dry it. Make sure you have a clean, dry surface. But for those of you guys that have a project like this area leads down out of the kitchen into the garage, so not too worried about it, but I still want it to look decent. I didn't really care for the metal rails versus this. This looks really nice, as you can see here. So we're about to put this last one on, but honestly guys, all you gotta do, clean up your stairs. This surface and this surface, as you can see, this is for the top part of the stair here. And then you have this little part right here that will stick to the facing part right there. But just make sure once you do this, clean it good, wipe it off with a damp cloth, let it dry or get a paper towel, make sure it's good and dry, because you know how sticky stuff is. If there's any dirt or debris, it will not stick. But seriously, they have different colors. This stair rail stuff actually works pretty good. So click the link, check it out. I think you guys will be pleasantly surprised. This took me probably more time than it should have because of the amount of time I had to use scraping off the glue. So what I've been using is, because this is liquid nail, it's almost like rubber, I've been using this flame here to kind of heat it up, and then using my razor blade to scrape it off. It actually comes off a lot easier. So if you have a situation like this and you're trying to think about how to get it off, or you can just use a sharper scraper. Razor blade actually works pretty good once you soften the glue. I'm trying to do this with one hand while I'm doing the camera, but it actually does come off fairly decent. So again guys, if you're looking for a nice material for your stair edging, click the link, check it out.